Hello, viewers. Welcome back to another episode of Moose Mobile Auto Repair. And today I have a 2005 Toyota Corolla, and we are going to be reinstalling back this body side molding because it came off. In the case of this 17-year-old Toyota, these are very common for coming off, and I've seen on these cars, and these older cars, they typically they come off over time, and especially that they're over 300,000 kilometers. Uh, th- they used to put these on back on the assembly line when they manufactured the vehicles, but today they come optional. Now, if you look at this 2010 Corolla, the body side moldings came optional on these vehicles, and so they never put them on from the assembly line. So I have here the 3M black super weather strip and gasket adhesive that I will be using. It's a type of adhesive and sealer for weather strip and trim. And I also will be using 3M adhesive remover. And I'll be using this Lucas Speed Wax to clean the body panel off first. Now, if you want, before you remove the adhesive, you could make yourself a reference point on each side, just to make sure on where they line up. Right now, I'm spraying some adhesive remover to get the adhesive off first. See if I use some type of plastic card or something to scrape it off easier. I'm not scratching anything. So this is going to require a lot of patience and time to remove the leftover residue. So now everything is wiped clean. All of the adhesive is removed now. Now I'm ready to apply some of the 3M weather strip and apply it back to the body panel. Before we do that, we need to make sure we remove the old adhesive from the body side molding. So now I made myself a reference point with the green painter's tape back here and over here. I make sure I have this straight on where it was. So now I'm gonna be applying the 3M the weather strip adhesive on the outer edges of the molding all across. You don't want to apply it too much. You probably want to wipe off the excess after. So I'm gonna apply some painter's tape, and later on you want to wipe down the excess. And later, when this dries up, you can use adhesive remover to remove all the black leftover residue. You need to let this dry up for a minimum of 24 hours. So the job is all finished now. I just need for it to dry up for 24 hours. Then I'll remove the tape and I'll clean off the leftover residue. I'll give you guys an update as soon as the job is all finished and dried up, and then I'll go back to it tomorrow. It's been approximately 24 hours now, so I'm going to remove the painter's tape, and I'm going to be using adhesive remover to remove the excess adhesive. It's always a good idea to push onto this before you remove the painter's tape. I'm still going to be using the adhesive remover. I know that you guys can probably do a better job than I can, because I left a mess here. So I wasn't able to clean everything down on the body side molding at the moment because the customer has to go, and so I'll probably clean the rest later on. If you enjoyed and found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day and take care.